Greetings, fellow feline aficionados. Welcome to my cozy corner of the internet, a sanctuary for all things cat-related. I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into a topic that's both essential and, let's be honest, sometimes a little daunting. Today, we address a matter of utmost importance, a skill every cat owner should possess. It's about cleansing your feline familiar. Yes, we're talking about giving your cat a bath, or at least cleaning them up when they've gotten into something they shouldn't have. Cats are masters of self-grooming, spending a significant portion of their day meticulously cleaning their fur, but sometimes their best efforts fall short. Life happens, and cats, being the curious creatures they are, often find themselves in sticky situations. This is especially true when faced with substances that are simply too stubborn or potentially dangerous for them to handle alone. In these rare but crucial cases, your intervention is absolutely required. This is a delicate and potentially risky procedure, so approach with caution and understanding, because one wrong move, and you'll earn weeks, perhaps even months of feline resentment. Trust me, I've been there. Fear not, my friends. I'll guide you through the safest and least traumatic methods possible, all so you can achieve the goal of purifying your cat. So, with all the necessary disclaimers in place, let's begin. Before you disrupt your cat's routine, be sure it's necessary. If your cat is coated in something sticky, toxic, or stops grooming altogether, it's time to act. Matted fur, especially in long-haired cats, can cause pain and infection. Don't ignore it. And if your vet prescribes a medicated bath, follow their instructions precisely. Only intervene when truly needed. Preparation is everything. Gather pet-safe wipes, feline shampoo, absorbent towels, a rinsing cup or gentle spray, a suitable brush, and rubber gloves. Never use human products. They're toxic to cats. Treats are essential. Think of them as a peace offering after the ordeal. Arrange everything within reach before you begin. The right tools make all the difference. Now, let's move to the first step. Start with brushing, never with water. Detangle and remove loose fur to prevent mats from tightening during the bath. Use long, gentle strokes and choose the right brush for your cat's coat. Inspect for parasites or skin issues as you go. This step is essential for a smooth, less stressful cleaning. Neglect it and you'll regret it. Full baths are traumatic. Reserve them for emergencies. For minor messes, use a damp cloth or cat-safe wipe to clean only the soiled area. Approach your cat calmly, wipe gently with the fur's grain, and keep the process brief. This preserves your cat's dignity and your relationship. Offer a treat afterward as a truce. Spot cleaning is often all you need. Sometimes, despite our best efforts at spot cleaning and gentle grooming, only a full bath will do. When your feline friend has gotten into something particularly messy or smelly, it's time to initiate the immersion protocol. Prepare a secure, closed bathroom. This is crucial to prevent a soggy, soapy escape attempt that could lead to a chase scene through your house. Line the bottom of the tub with a towel or rubber mat. This will provide your cat with some much-needed traction and help them feel a little more secure during the bathing process. Fill the tub with just a few inches of lukewarm water. Make sure it's not too hot or too cold, as this can be very distressing for your cat. Gently and slowly lower your cat into the water, keeping a firm but gentle grip. Talk to them in a soothing voice to help calm their nerves. Using a cup or your hands, wet the fur thoroughly from the neck down. Be careful to avoid getting water in their eyes, ears, and nose. Never wet the head directly. Apply a small amount of cat-safe shampoo and gently lather it into their fur, working from the neck down to the tail. Once you've lathered well, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, making sure to remove all traces of shampoo. Continue to rinse and repeat the process until the water runs completely clear, indicating that all the shampoo has been washed away. Remember, any leftover shampoo residue can cause skin irritation and discomfort for your feline friend. So, be meticulous and take your time to ensure a complete and comfortable rinse. Throughout the entire process, it's essential to keep calm and project a sense of reassurance. However, expect some resistance. Most cats aren't thrilled about bath time, so be prepared for some wiggling and meowing. Once you're confident that your cat is clean, carefully lift them out of the tub. Immediately wrap your freshly cleaned cat in a large absorbent towel to begin the drying process. Never submerge or spray your cat's face. Use a barely damp cloth or cotton ball to gently wipe around the eyes, nose, and chin. Always use a fresh section for each eye to prevent infection. Avoid the inner ears entirely. Leave that to professionals. Be gentle. This is a sensitive operation. The ordeal is over, but your cat may be shaken. Swaddle it in a towel and move to a warm, draft-free spot. Gently blot dry, don't rub. Offer treats and space. Let your cat retreat and recover. When calm, a gentle brushing session can help restore trust. Peace and fur are restored. It's crucial to remember that cats have very different needs than humans. Never use human products like shampoos or soaps on your cat. And be extremely cautious with essential oils, as many of these are highly toxic to cats and can cause serious health problems if ingested or absorbed through the skin. Always pay close attention to your cat's body language. If your cat is panicked, hissing, or showing signs of aggression, stop immediately. Forcing a bath when a cat is clearly distressed can cause real harm, both physically and emotionally, damaging your relationship with your feline friend. If you're struggling, remember that sometimes a professional groomer who specializes in cats, or even your veterinarian, is the best and safest option. Stay calm and project a sense of reassurance. Your cat senses your mood and will react accordingly. A relaxed owner often leads to a more relaxed cat. Use the right tools specifically designed for cats. Be gentle in your approach and always respect your cat's limits, recognizing when they've had enough and need a break. With patience, understanding, and a gentle touch, you'll both survive the ordeal and hopefully even build a stronger bond. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your feline grooming adventures.